Okay, if you are seeing angel number 222, listen, okay. This is double confirmation of divine order. Do y'all hear me? Everything that was broken is being realigned, okay? Realignment, okay? You are not out of place, but you are in God's exact plan, okay? Restoration times 2, double for your trouble. What was stolen, what was delayed, and what was denied is being returned. Listen, is returning multiplied, being multiplied times 2. Listen, peace is your weapon. Yeah, because in this next season, peace will be your power. And guess what? No more chaos. No more drama. Yeah. Other people's drama. No more other people's drama either. Listen. And just divine rest. Just divine results. Do you hear me? And guess what? It's time for the right connections. Okay. God is sending divine partnerships and real soul aligned relationships. No more counterfeits. Counterfeits. No more. And listen, keep the faith. Okay. Because why? All of your manifestations are here. They're here. Listen. And you are close to your breakthrough. Don't quit. Do not quit. Don't settle. I said no more counterfeits. And guess what? Let me say this. 222. Listen to this. Why everything is finally aligning for you. Restoration times 2. Double restoration. Peace, power, and purpose. Do y'all hear me? This is the 2-2-2-2 season has arrived.